Bossy, you have to try. Nothing try, nothing done. Just say it to him and see how he react.
Did you accuse me from?
Sure.
Yes, Angie. Say what? Okay. He said what? Okay. I guess I have a date with Destiny. I know this is really bad manners, but I need a break.
Okay.
Yeah, bossy.
This one. Come out of the shadows. Go up on the front page and see if you see me something anyway.
How go on?
The man just say, to me say, him a go meet him Destiny.
What that mean?
This man never know him now. Just go out to the front and see if you see him or any strange movements.
Me go round at the restaurant where him say me go there.
Alright, bossy. Now report.
I need to see you. It's urgent. I'm going to send you a location.
Yes, sir. You get it? Alright, I got you.
Nice. Just as I expected. I wasn't aware I was on a double date. Or is this a menage a trois?
Well, Mr. Mullins,
Miss Brissett, are you having daddy issues? Do you have to follow him everywhere he's going?
may I ask you again? Where David gone?
He's your father, and I think you have a leash on him, so I think you should know.
What you up to, Miranda? What you really up to?
I don't have to answer to you. I came here to spend some alone time with David, and that is what I'm doing.
Listen to me, bitch. If you move from right there, so, I promise you, you're the last person you're going to see. You see, if I him you're a fool, you're not fool me.
No, man. This too easy.
Me know say you're good for infiltration. Me know say you depend on the Copacabana job. But also know say you're pregnant. That's why you come off of the grid. Me also know you're a little bit closer to Tony than you're letting us.
Ah, we've been busy, I see.
No we, you. But me are closing on your scheme. Why exactly you invite Mr. Mullins over here?
That's for me to know, and you to find out. You didn't know he likes fish?
Well, I'ma tell you this. You see, until me get him on the phone, none of we not left your son.
Are you serious, Mr. M? That's really why you called me all the way out here?
Well, there's certain things that I don't trust to a phone, you know.